everyone, welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm super excited that you're here for another video. Today's video we are doing a Louis Vuitton Fashionphile unboxing. Yes, this is a pre-loved Louis Vuitton piece that I've been eyeing for literally months. I want to say I started eyeing this bag around November, December, and I was just like, let's just go ahead and pull the plug. So that's what I did. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I posted a poll or a question asking a poll and a question. And I was like, hey, a package came in the mail yesterday. Like, do you want to see an unboxing video? And then I asked you guys, can you guess what it is? And a lot of you guys guessed correctly. And yes, it is a Louis Vuitton unboxing, but it's a Louis Vuitton piece from the pre-loved market. But I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Where are my manners? If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. And if you are new, welcome to Simply Fatima, where we talk about all things luxury and luxury handbags. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, also give this video a thumbs up and also hit the bell notification so that you'll never miss an upload from me. Like I mentioned a few seconds ago that I posted a poll on my Instagram. You guys need to know what my Instagram is in order to follow me there. Follow me at _simply Fatima _loves luxury, and I can get to know each and every one of you guys there like I'm getting to know each and every one of you guys here on YouTube. So connect with your girl, show your girl some love. I tried to make my Instagram fun and very interactive, and I try not to saturate you guys with so much like luxury and handbags, just because I just want us to have fun on Instagram while also having some eye candy here and there. So also, guess what, guys? Guess what? We hit 1,000, and I only hit 1,000 because of you guys. Like the saying says, it takes a village, and it literally took a village, and we made it. And I'm so happy and so grateful and so thankful, and to show my appreciation, like you guys seen in so many of my videos, that a lucky winner will get to win the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and another lucky winner will get to win these Gucci sunglasses. Just in the giveaway, the entry details will be in the description box down below, so please check out the description box. And also, I've seen some comments on some of my videos saying, oh, I hope it's not too late for me to enter. I'm gonna allow the giveaway to run all the way up until Friday around 5 o'clock to make it fair. That will be the last day to enter into the giveaway, and then I will be announcing a winner super soon. How exciting is that? Like, I'm so excited, and I thank you guys. Like honestly, like literally, like y'all did this, okay? Y'all the real ones, and because y'all were so real and so committed, this giveaway is happening because of you guys, and I'm super excited. Let's get right into this video, shall we? So today's video is a vintage Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am super excited about this because I want to say back in November is when I started really getting interested in vintage Louis Vuitton. Like, I don't know, it's just something about vintage Louis Vuitton that's really catching my eye. I hope I'm not the only one that thinks this way, but the new items that Louis Vuitton is coming out, I'm just not feeling it. There's only one bag that's pre-loved, not pre-loved, but you could pre-order. It kind of looks like the pochette accessoire. Yeah, it's the only thing that's has caught my attention from everything that's new that's coming out at Louis Vuitton is the new Easy pouch with the strap that you could order online because it was like pre-launching or whatnot. That's the only thing that like really caught my attention because it kind of reminded me of the pochette accessoire and the Prada re-edition, but just in epi leather. So this bag is in epi leather. I'll insert a picture, and literally that's the only thing that caught my eye. And honestly, out of the things that aren't new or like pre-season or the new pre-season summer spring collection, the only thing that's really caught my eye lately was the petite sac plot, and I have the petite sac plot. But other than that, like, I have not been like really drawn to Louis Vuitton and all the new things that they're coming out with. And in the new bag that they're trying to consider to be trendy by sending it out to all the like social media influencers. It's just that I don't get that. That just looks like a very comfortable pillow, but that's neither here nor there. Like, and I'll insert a picture of that handbag as well. But like, yeah, nothing's just been catching my attention. Like, I'm kind of, of course I'm handbag satisfied, but it's just been like scrolling through the Real and Fashionphile. I've just been finding more vintage pieces that I am gravitating towards, and I've also been on this big backpack kick, which is kind of annoying because I don't need any more backpacks, but I don't see any harm in having one more backpack. So like I said, I got this item from Fashionphile. I've been eyeing this bag since like November, December, and I'm gonna just show you guys and then I'll get into that. So this bag is from, oops, I already opened it because I didn't want like my address and stuff on here, and just it would just be easier for the video. So it's from Fashionphile. This is my first time ordering from Fashionphile, by the way. My package took a while to get here, and I ordered this like the second to last week of February, something like that, but I didn't realize that it took a while. It wasn't even the fact that it took forever for it to get delivered. It took forever for it to leave Fashionphile to get to the distribution center. So that's why I was just a little confused. But anyway, so yes, it comes from Fashionphile. It has the envelope with all of the receipt information. I'm guessing that's what this is. Yeah, it's all of my receipt information and proof that I bought it. And so the bag is wrapped up in this white paper, and it has like these little paper dots, like confetti in here, that's pink and gray. And then here is the handbag. See, yeah, here's the pink and gray confetti that came in the box. Oh, that's cute. They also gave me a nail filer, like Fashionphile nail file. I see where you're going with this. It says I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. That's super cute. That's really, really cute. I like that. That's a cute little touch, Fashionphile. And so here is the handbag in the gray dust bag, and so we should just open her up, right? Oh, and because I said I've been on like a whole backpack kick, that should probably also give away what this is. And I've said vintage Louis Vuitton. And also, again, if you follow me on Instagram, I put a poll up on my Instagram story about this handbag actually, so y'all might already know what this is. So I purchased the Louis Vuitton Montsouris mini backpack. I love, like absolutely love this handbag. I've been eyeing this particular handbag for some time, and what really made me pull the plug on this handbag was when I had seen Jenny, XO Jenny Day. I was watching her Instagram stories, and she posted about this bag and how and I watch her YouTube videos about how she purchased this handbag and how she sent it off to Louis Vuitton and got it repaired, and it looks brand spanking new. And before I saw her videos, like over the summer, I had seen the Montsouris backpack, and I really wanted the Montsouris BB. Like, I really wanted that handbag. I thought it was a great like crossbody bag or whatnot, and I really like the style of it. I like the flap over it, and like it's basically a no-way purse with a flap on top, and it's a backpack. And I really like the style of it, and it was just something about it that I was just really confused about. I was like, something is completely missing. And then when I started like going on pre-loved markets or pre-loved websites and looking up the Montsouris, I was like, I really love the vintage one because I like the vachetta at the bottom. I really do. The vachetta is really cute. I like the drawstring, I like the flap. Now the buckle isn't as convenient as the new model Montsouris because the new Montsouris has like a snap closure, but this one you literally have to pull the leather through the buckle and just unbuckle it. And then something about that just I really liked. And then what, like I said before, what really made me pull the plug is the fact that I can send this off to Louis Vuitton and get it repaired and have it looking brand new. Now, this is a Monsterie from 1994. So, and you can tell the quality of the canvas is so different. And that's reason number one why I'm starting to look into vintage Louis Vuitton and just going ahead and buying it, and then whatever I need repaired, either I get it fixed or I don't. The quality of the canvas is so much better. It's so much thicker. Like when I touch this backpack with the Speedy 30 that my parents gave me, the quality of the canvas is still so good. Now, this canvas is a little bit better than my Speedy 30, I'm not gonna lie. It's still thick, but this Monsterie Mini and my Speedy 30 has way better canvas than my Speedy 40 and my Nano Speedy. Just saying. Like, just saying it. Like, I can tell a difference in the canvas, and it's starting to feel like they're not taking out the time to really like give quality. It just feels like now they're just taking out the time, like, oh, people want it, let's just pump these babies out on demand and keep the supply up to meet the demand of that product. But no, we're spending all this money, we expect great quality, right? And so with that being said, since I'm not like too satisfied, well, I don't have any urges to want to get anything from Louis Vuitton right now. I'm just like, let me just stick with the pre-loved vintage market and just start doing that. Another good thing about the vintage market is that you kind of already get a bag that's been loved on excessively, and it's already like patinaed, and you're just like, let me just go ahead and continue to carry it because it's already carefree. But I just want to get this repaired. I mean, it's not even in terrible condition. So this is what it looks like. It just has like watermarks, like you see a watermark right there. It has a front pocket. The hardware could be fixed. So yeah, it comes with a front pocket. It has a vachetta bottom. It comes with adjustable vachetta straps. It comes with a vachetta handle. Also, I've been seeing, before I pull the plug on this too, I also watch videos of people getting this bag pre-loved or just getting anything pre-loved. And I was so worried that this is gonna have a smell. It doesn't smell at all, so that's a plus. It has the vachetta pull string right here, and it's just the inside of the bag. They put this bubble wrap inside. The inside of the bag, like, it's clean. Like, whoever had this bag before me literally used a bag liner, because there is absolutely no stains inside of this bag. Like, none. Oh, and mine was made in France. It says it on the back here, made in France. But like, it's just one main bucket bag, and like, it is clean, no marks, no smell. Even the front pocket, perfectly fine. But yes, I just wanted to unbox this bag with you guys. I have reached out to Louis Vuitton to see like how much it would be for me to repair it. They haven't gotten back with me yet, so I'm waiting for that. But right now, like, I think it's in a pretty good condition right now. It just has a little watermarks or whatever, but it's like great condition, and I'm super obsessed, super in love. I'm super happy I went ahead and pulled the plug, because this is something that I've been wanting, and I just really like the aesthetic of this bag, like really like it. So you guys get to see the before. Hopefully I can send this off to Louis Vuitton, get it repaired. You guys can see the afterwards. I'll keep you posted on the journey. But I really love this bag. I already love the patina on here, and that's why I'm having a hard time if I want to send it off or not, because I already love the patina on it. But that's okay. I want it repaired. I want it to feel brand new, and I want the hardware to be repaired and you know, toned and yeah. So yeah, so this is my unboxing. If you guys participated on my Instagram question and poll, you guys were correct if you guessed Louis Vuitton, but it is a Louis Vuitton vintage handbag. This handbag is 27 years old. 27 years old. If you like unboxings like this and content like this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at _simplyfatima_loves_luxury. And don't forget about the giveaway. The giveaway ends on Friday at 5 p.m. and I will be announcing a winner very, very soon. And once again, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys show. Like, there's not enough thank yous in the world for me to tell you all, but I am very thankful and very grateful for each and every one of you guys, and I love you guys so much. And until next time, my loves, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.